Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your new Android phone won't activate. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My new Android phone keeps trying to activate. I got the phone last Friday. From all indications, it should be activated, because the checkmark disappeared over the weekend. Then on Monday, I restarted the phone, and it started automatically trying to activate again. I don't know why, my new Android phone can't get activated. We understand you might be facing the same problems. Don't panic if you can't activate your new Android phone. To help you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem and get your device working again. Cause 1. Temporary runtime error. The solution is to restart your phone. When an Android device encounters a temporary error while you are activating it, you might experience the new Android phone is not activating error. To troubleshoot this, we recommend restarting your Android phone. Restarting your Android device disconnects all connections and restarts the device, ensuring it's in optimal working order. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After restarting, try activating your phone again. Cause 2. Network error. The solution is to check your network. When there's a network error or instability on your Android phone, the SIM card won't activate on new Android phone. Error can also occur. Activation requires an internet connection, so please ensure your network is stable. You can check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If you are not connected to Wi-Fi, please connect to a working Wi-Fi network immediately. Finally, try activating the device again. If the can't activate Android phone issue is due to a network problem, switching to a working network should resolve the issue. Cause 3. Old phone influence. The solution is to turn off the old phone. If your old phone is powered on, depending on the carrier, it may interfere with the network, causing the trying to activate new phone but getting stuck error. Therefore, if you need to activate your new Android phone, please ensure your old phone is powered off first. After powering off the old phone, ensure you are in a location with good signal before turning on the new Android phone and attempting activation. Cause 4. SIM card influence. The solution is to check and reinsert the SIM card. An improperly inserted or loose SIM card can also cause the Android phone to not activate. Therefore, checking the SIM card is also necessary. Use a SIM card ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray, then check the SIM card for any obvious damage or looseness. If not, reinstall the SIM card correctly. Finally, try activating your phone again to see if it works. Cause 5. Potential cause. The solution is to contact your carrier. If the IMEI or ICCID SIM card number of your new Android device doesn't match, the new Android phone won't activate. Error will also occur. Additionally, if you've ported your number to another carrier, this might also prevent you from completing the activation process. In this case, please contact your carrier to ensure the information you provided is correct and ask them to help you resolve the new Android phone won't activate issue. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an activation problem on a new Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.